Hi friends, welcome to today's class. Today's question is, Amal buys apples at 20 rupee. For how many rupees should he sell it so as to gain 25%? So what's the given question? Amal is buying apples at 20 rupee. So 20 apples he is buying for 1 rupee. And for how much? How many rupee? So we don't know. So let it be X. Suppose he is selling X apples means for rupees 1 means he should gain 25%. In order to gain 25%, how many apples for a rupee should he sell? Or what is X here? X apples he is selling for D1 and he is gaining a profit percentage of 25 means what is X? So how to do this? Here the only thing is cost price is given. What is the cost price? 1 rupee is the cost price. So we can take like that. Cost price is equal to rupees 1. And what is the selling price? Are we able to find out the selling price? What is the additional information given? The gain percentage or the profit percentage is given. So from that we can find out the selling price. So what is the formula connecting selling price and cost price? Selling price is equal to X into cost price. And what is this X? X will be some number. So here when it is 25% gain means we have to write it as selling price is equal to 1.25 into cost price. Hope you remember this. X into SP is equal to Y into CP. That video is there. If you are having any doubt means you can refer to that video. That means if 25% is the gain means we can represent it like that. Like this. Selling price is equal to 1 point. Since it is 25% gain, we will be writing it as 1.25 CP. If it was 20% gain, we will be writing it as 1.2 CP. If it is 40%, we will be writing it as 1.4 CP. If it is 50%, we will be writing it as 1.5 CP. This is agreeing with our formula. Or what is that? Selling price minus cost price by selling price into 100. From there only we got this formula. So since here it is 25% gain, we can directly write it as selling price is equal to 1.25 into cost price. It makes our calculations very much easy and very much quick. So you have to use this formula then and there when it is required. Just have a thorough understanding how to write this formula. Selling price is equal to X into CP. If it is a loss means we will be subtracting the corresponding loss percentage from 1 and then we will be writing. Suppose it is a 10% loss means we will be writing it as selling price is equal to 0.9 into cost price. 0.9 we got by 1 minus 0.1. 10% loss. So 1 minus 0.1. If it is 20% loss means we will be writing it as 1 minus 0.2. So selling price is equal to 0.8 into cost price. If it is 50% loss means 1 minus 0.5. So selling price is equal to 0.5 into cost price. So this is how we use this formula. So here selling price is equal to 1.25 into CP. So what is our selling price? Selling price will be equal to rupees 1.25. Okay. So cost price is 1, 1.25 into 1. So 1.25 will be our selling price. And 1.25 how we can write it in a simple manner? 1 by 4. 0.25 is 1 by 4. So 5 by 4 rupees. 5 by 4 is our selling price. So what's your question? For how many rupees should he sell so as to gain 25%? So actually he is selling here for 5 by 4. How many apples he is selling for 5 by 4? 20 apples. 20 apples he is selling for rupees 5 by 4. Then for rupees 1 how much should he sell? That's the question. So how we will be getting? 20 apples he is selling for 5 by 4 rupees. So for rupees 1 he should be selling 20 divided by 5 by 4 apples. So that will be your final answer. So what we will be getting? 20 and 5 we can cancel out. So 4 into 4. So for rupees 1 he should be selling 16 apples in order to gain 25%. Now second question. A buys a certain number of mangoes at 10 rupee and the same number of mangoes at 16 rupee. They were mixed together and sold at 13 rupee. Find his percent profit or loss. So this type of question we got discussed in our previous video. So just a revision of that. So what is given here? A is buying a certain number of mangoes. So here the number of mangoes are not given. So let's take it as X. So X mangoes he is buying at the rate of 10 rupee. That means 10 mangoes for 1 rupee. Then and he is again buying the same number of mangoes. Again he is buying X mangoes. And what is the rate? 16 mangoes for 1 rupee. So he is buying at 2 rates he is buying the same number of mangoes, X mangoes, at the rate of 10 mangoes for rupee 1 and again X mangoes at the rate of 16 mangoes for rupees 1. So he is mixing them together. So how many mangoes will be having? Totally will be having 2x mangoes. And 2x mangoes he is selling at the rate of 13 mangoes for 1 rupee. Then whether he is having a gain or loss and what is the corresponding gain or loss percentage. So how to proceed? We have to find out the total cost price and the total selling price. So what is our total cost price? 10 mangoes we are getting for 1 rupee. Then what about 1 mango? So 1 mango cost will be equal to 1 by 10. Then what about X mangoes? So X mangoes the cost will be equal to rupees X by 10. Then second case in the same way 16 mangoes rupees 1. So 1 mango 1 by 16. X mangoes X by 16. The second case, our X mangoes cost will be equal to rupees X by 16. Now we are just adding this, our total cost price will be equal to X by 10 plus X by 16. 80 is our common denominator, is our LCM, so it will be our common denominator. So 8X plus 5X, 16 into 5 is equal to 80 and 10 into 8 is equal to 80. So 8X plus 5X is equal to 13X by 80 is our total cost price. And what about our total selling price? 13 mangoes for rupees 1. So 1 mango will be costing 1 by 13 rupees. So what about 2x mangoes selling price? It will be equal to 2x by 13. So what is our profit or gain percentage? We are having the formula. Profit or gain, loss or gain percentage is given as selling price by cost price minus 1 into 100 percentage. So we will be getting 2x by 30 divided by 13x by 80 minus 1 into 100. So we will be getting 13 will go to the numerator and 80 will go to the numerator and 13 will come to the denominator. So x and x will be cancelling out. So we will be having 160. 18 into 2 is equal to 160 and 13 into 13 is equal to 169. So 160 by 169 into 100 percentage. So final answer will be minus 69 by 169 into 100 percentage. So we'll be getting minus 9. 160 minus 169 is equal to minus 9. So final answer is minus 900 divided by 169 percentage, or it is corresponding to 900 divided by 169 percentage loss. Thank you for watching.